Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you AgeGo.com anonymous age verification service. So you might be wondering, what is AgeGo here? So AgeGo is an online age verification service designed to let websites verify whether a user meets what we call an age requirement without requiring the user to directly share their identity documents with the website itself. Now, according to AgeGo's official website here, the service focuses on privacy preserving age verification for online platforms. Now, how does it actually work, or how does the website actually work here? Now, according to them, the website needs to confirm your age. Now, AgeGo can be used as the verification layer. Now, the service verifies the user's age and then provides the websites with the relevant age verification result, rather than requiring the website itself to collect the user's full identity information here. So, if you want to learn more about that, they do have a specific section here about the age verification process and also the verification methods here, if you want to learn more on how they verify someone's age. Now, the main idea is age verification without unnecessary personal information sharing. Now, instead of simply treating age verification as an identity checking process, AgeGo presents its technology as a way for users to prove they meet an age requirement while maintaining greater privacy. Now, in this case, for users here, the process generally begins with the participating website asking you to verify your age. Now, this totally depends if a website uses AgeGo here. Now, typically, you just need to follow the AgeGo verification process presented on your screen. Now, once the verification is completed, you can return to the website and continue if you meet its age requirement here. And again, it totally depends on what process they do or require you to do. So they have like Google login, you have email login, passkey login as well, and also a lot of age verification methods here: IDs, selfies, credit cards, or digital ID. Totally depends on what the website actually use for their website, or the company, whatever they use on their website. So yeah, so for AgeGo, or if like for example, if AgeGo here is intended for websites and online services here that need to enforce age restrictions rather than being a standalone entertainment or social media application here. So if you're like a company that has a website and want to enforce age verification here, well, it works as a service that verifies someone's age. So yeah. So you could go and visit the business section here as well if you want. And if you want to use AgeGo for your website, you can just choose the I want to use AgeGo for my website, and you could go and directly reach out to their business team and basically just providing necessary details like your name, your email, your website, and also a message, and also reading their privacy policy and clicking on submit. And from then on, they will reach out to you regarding the details of implementing AgeGo into your website. So yeah, so because age verification involves personal information, doing your own research into AgeGo's privacy policy, verification process, and specific website requesting verification is recommended before submitting any information, especially maybe like reading information about your own country's privacy policies here, just to make sure that you meet your country's, or whichever your company or your website is currently located on, it meets that country's privacy policies, just to be on the safe side here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.